I will let you in on a little secret. Something very cool that I love to do this time of year is to sip on my morning coffee while harvesting chamomile that is all over my garden right now. I know the time is short before the hot days ahead will cause their demise because chamomile loves the cool days, not so much the hot days. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how we are going to make some tea out of it too. Good morning. It is the best time of day to harvest chamomile. I have a lot of it in this bed and sprinkled throughout the garden because chamomile does spread really easily. So plant it carefully, and you don't want to wait too long to harvest your chamomile because it will spread even more throughout your garden and you'll lose some of the flavor of the chamomile as the heat of more than anything, it's the heat that gets to it. It doesn't like it. It's supposed to be 92 today, so I'm out here bright and early to get this harvested and to get this bed pulled together. Let's do it. Let's grow. And here's the therapy. You simply just pop the chamomile off the little flower heads one by one, pop it, and that's where I really sometimes get into a daze about it, but it's just simply that, the top, and I keep the flower tops and then I discard the rest. You probably could do more with the rest. I'd love to know in the comments if anybody thinks that that is a possibility. But yeah, so here we go. Just more of this. I have a lot of little flower heads to take care of this morning.
I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time. Can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, yeah, I'm feeling you. Oh, oh. Be honest, tell me what's on your mind. Oh, baby, you. When I lay my eyes on you from afar, I could swear I thought you fell from the stars. Think about you day and night, girl, even when you're not around. I don't want it if it's not with you.
I'm also clearing out some of the violas that have died back, and I wanted to show you this. Hopefully you can get this. Look at how many seeds are in the base of one viola flower. I'm counting, what, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 20 seeds. But that's why they have begotten so prolific here in this bed and many others around here, because both the violas and the chamomile carry many seeds. The chamomile, this whole, drop that down, this whole head of chamomile, I'm just going to pull it apart, see if you can see that. These are all seeds. Yeah, it's pretty amazing how many seeds they have. So they are very prolific in how they spread. There's a couple of things that you can do with chamomile. Well, there's many things you could do with chamomile, but when you're wanting to make chamomile tea, you can do just the regular sun tea. So I've put, oh, it's about a cup, I would guess, of chamomile inside of this glass jar. And a few little violas in there too, because they're just pretty and they're all around the chamomile. And I'm just going to put in some purified water and let it sit for a couple of hours here in the sunshine. There we go. And the final piece I want to show you here today is I've got my chamomile tea that I have made, and it's been sitting for about 24 hours, sitting in the sun, and I took it in last night. I don't know if you've seen these colanders, but they fit perfectly into a large ball jar, and I'm just going to pour this. It'll act as a sieve as I pour this in there. And now I have a beautiful pitcher, some ice cubes, and we'll have a beautiful pitcher of chamomile tea. And as I wrap up today's video, I just thought I'd show you some of our poppies blooming, more chamomile, because chamomile can pop up just about anywhere in your garden. And I want to leave you with this thought in mind of just simplicity. Remember, when it comes to the garden, simplicity, one flower, one herb, one whatever comes along at a time, because this is the place we keep our calm, keep our cool. Till next week, let's grow. Thanks for growing with us, and we will see you next time. And in the meantime, be sure to like, comment, let us know what really resonated for you in this video, and then of course be sure to subscribe at no cost to you and be updated when we have new videos up to